Halloween doesn't have to be scary to be fun. With simple shapes and bold outlines, little artists can enjoy the season without feeling overwhelmed. Part of the Olivia Grande collection, designed to make Halloween coloring simple, fun, and frustration-free. Search Olivia Grande coloring books on Amazon and find the perfect seasonal book for your little artist. Let creativity be playful. Is the force still in you?